Have you ever wondered how to update your macOS laptop? Well, you're in the right place. Updating your macOS is not just about getting the latest features, it's about ensuring your device is running with optimal performance and security. Each update brings improvements in speed, efficiency, and user experience, along with patches for any potential security threats. But before we jump into the update process, there's a vital step to consider: preparing your device. It's the unsung hero of a successful update. This includes backing up your data. Why, you ask? Well, as robust as updates are, there's always a minuscule chance of data loss. So safeguard your important files, images, and documents by creating a backup. With your data safely tucked away, you're ready to move on to the exciting part, the update. Now that you understand why updates are crucial and how to prepare your device, let's dive into the actual update process. So, you're ready to update your macOS. But where do you start? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to find that little Apple icon. It's hanging out up there in the top left corner of your screen. Got it? Great. Now give it a click. This will open up the Apple menu. From here, you're going to want to select System Preferences. That's your control hub for all things Mac. Once you're in, you're looking for Software Update. It's usually in the third row down, so keep those eyes peeled. Give that a click and voila, you've entered the gateway to the update section. This is where all the magic happens. It's where your Mac checks for updates and lets you download and install them. You've successfully navigated to the update section. You're on your way to updating your Mac OS. Now that you're in the Software Update section, what's next? Well, the beauty of the Mac OS is that it's designed to be user-friendly. Once you're in the Software Update section, your system will automatically get to work and start scanning for any available updates. No need to press any buttons or navigate through complicated menus. This automated process is possible because your Mac is always actively connected to Apple's servers. It's like having a diligent assistant who's always on the lookout for ways to improve your system. This assistant checks if there are any new updates, patches, or bug fixes that your Mac could benefit from. If an update is indeed available, it will be displayed on your screen, clear as day. You'll see the version of the update, a brief summary of what it includes, and an Update Now button. Now you know how to check for updates. But what if an update is available? Let's find out. An update is available for your Mac OS. Now what? Well, let's dive into the installation process. It's pretty straightforward, really. The first step is to click on the Update Now button. This simple action triggers the download and installation of the update. Behind the scenes, your system is working hard to bring you the latest and greatest features. It's downloading the necessary files, integrating them into your current system, and making sure everything is in place for a smooth transition. Now, you might notice your device restarting during this process. Don't panic. This is a normal part of the update procedure. Your device is simply resetting to accommodate the changes. Remember, patience is key here. Good things, like a well-updated Mac, come to those who wait. And don't worry, all your files and applications will be right where you left them once the update is complete. You've successfully installed the update. But what if no update was available? What if no update is available? Are you stuck with an outdated OS? Well, not exactly. If you followed all the steps we've discussed and you still can't find an update, it's likely that your Mac OS is already up to date. This means you're running the latest version of the software, and there's nothing more for you to do, at least for now. Apple releases updates periodically to improve system performance, fix bugs, and introduce new features. So you should make it a habit to periodically check for updates, even if there's nothing available at the moment. It's like checking your mailbox. Just because there's no mail today doesn't mean there won't be any tomorrow. So, keep an eye out for those software updates. And remember, maintaining your system with the latest updates helps ensure optimal performance and security. And there you have it. You now know how to update your Mac OS. Remember to regularly check for updates to keep your system running smoothly.